Hello everyone and welcome to Doctor and More. This is Dr. Prajakta Patil. I'm an Ayurvedic gynecologist. So I hope you are enjoying the festive season. I hope you're all safe. I hope you're mentally, physically and spiritually, socially and all kinds of health. So today we are going to talk about whether PCOD is curable or not. So what happened, I did little bit research on this topic, whether PCOD is curable or not, on what is available on YouTube. As doctor I know what is the answer, but just I wanted to see what is there on YouTube. So I found that so many things are misleading regarding this topic. First is I found some people claim that it is 100% curable and they write 100 and like that in the red that smiley is there like that they write that whether PCOD cure permanently, PCOD cure in 5 steps, PCOD cure in 6 steps, PCOD cure naturally, drink this and your PCOD will get cured, PCOD drink, and what sorts of things. I was so shocked, surprised. And when I actually saw who are these people who are giving this advice, 90% of the people were not doctors. 90% of the people who are someone who have just read maybe of the topic, and there were some people who were giving my PCOD story. For example, someone who has suffered from PCOD, right? And that person is saying, but I didn't find the truth even in that, because they are just correlating that my weight is lost and my symptoms are gone and therefore my PCOD is cured. No, PCOD is much more than weight loss. PCOD is much more than symptoms, and PCOD is much more than having your normal menses. So first let me answer whether PCOD is curable or not. Okay, so I just don't want to break anyone's heart over here, but I just want to give you cold facts. That is, PCOD is not curable. Yeah, I said it, that PCOD is not curable. So now you'll ask me, there are so many people who are prescribing, who are saying, who are promoting, who are propagating, not only on social media, also in the outside world. So here I want to say that as such you cannot cure PCOD. Like diabetes is there, you can't cure it. Like thyroid is there, hypothyroidism is there, you can't cure it. So like that, the proper word is not the cure of PCOD. The proper word is that PCOD can be effectively managed. Effectively managed means like for diabetes, how we give medicines, how we give diet, exercise and everything, and we effectively manage it, right? Like that only, PCOD is a condition which can be effectively managed and cured. There is a lot of difference. Why am I saying this? Because for example, you have vomiting, I give you medicines for vomiting, in one day you're good and your vomiting is cured. You'll say, Arey, I'm very good, I don't have vomiting now, like that. So that is something which we can call cure, but in PCOD it is not like that. So you'll ask me, this is so depressing, I mean I have PCOD, what have I done, I mean why me? I know you might feel like that, it is natural that you can feel, but it's not like this. Everyone has their share of health problems. Someone would be having this, someone would be having that, so that's okay. But I wanted to say over here, you can effectively manage. So effectively manage means what you can do is that, for example, if you want to become pregnant, so we can give you medicines, we can give you diet so that you can become pregnant. If you're having problems of menses, for example, you're not having menses at the correct time, if you're having less flow, so at that times we can give you medicines so that you can get your flow proper. So here I'm not saying that you have to take treatment lifelong you take medicines and that is only you have to take like diabetes. No, in PCOD I'm not at all propagating that. In fact, the patients who come to me, initially I give them medicines until the PCOD is really bad, until their symptoms are not controlled, and once they have the hack of their diet, exercise, lifestyle changes and all, so I gradually reduce the medicines and gradually they are maintained only on diet and exercise, with obviously occasionally I monitor them for weight, I monitor them for lots of other parameters actually, and lots of other things actually. And if I think that some things are going haywire, then I give medicines. So like this is something which I do. One more thing I want to say, many people actually they think that they are taking OC pills and their PCOD is cured. But it is not like that. There are a lot of side effects of these OC pills, which are also known as the oral contraceptive pills. So these pills, what happens if you take these pills like for 21 days, so after 21 days your menses will come, and like that your menses will be regular. You will be having a false hope that wow, my PCOD is cured, my menses are regular. So it is not like that. I'm not saying that you have to take medicines for lifetime. Effectively manage by lifestyle, diet, exercise and by medicines. That is what I wanted to say, and that's why I'm making this video actually. Now actually I wanted to divert your attention to another aspect of PCOD, that is the long-term complications of PCOD. PCOD is not only limited to the things we mentioned, like irregular menses, getting pimples, not able to conceive. No, if a woman has PCOD and that PCOD is not effectively managed, then it can lead to complications in early 40s. You can have diabetes, you can have blood pressure, and these two along if you're obese can lead to cardiac or heart problems. Also, it is known that PCOD, those who have, and it is untreated for lots of period of time, for many years it is untreated, it can cause endometrial cancer, that is uterine cancer, or it can even cause ovarian cancer. So why I told this in this video is because please don't take PCOD lightly, and along with taking lightly, just don't think that you'll have some drink or you'll just do some 5 to 6 steps once only at once and your PCOD would be cured for life. So it doesn't work that way. It is really misleading what people say. I have seen some people who write that do this, watch my video and your PCOD would be cured in 1 month. I even saw someone who claims it to be done in 10 days. I mean, you can't cure PCOD in 10 days. First of all, you can't effectively manage PCOD in 1 month also, because the ovum, that is the egg which comes out every month, for that one egg which comes out, the maturation period of that egg is actually 85 days. So always I tell कि whenever I give patient the treatment, I say that the results and everything, you have to wait at least for 3 months, and on the safer side 6 months, because your hormonal axis is really deranged. So someone who is saying that cure PCOD in 1 month or cure PCOD in 10 days, so that person doesn't know the basic gynecology or the basic anatomy physiology. I'm sorry to say, but that person doesn't know. So here actually, because I'm a doctor, so I think it is my responsibility to bring the actual facts, and I could have made a video just suggesting something, 10 things that do this and cure the PCOD, but I didn't, because I can never do that. I mean, that is something which is really morally wrong, and I would never propagate something which is wrong. It is as simple as that. So another thing I wanted to say, why it is important to know that PCOD is curable or not, because I personally have patients who think that they got their PCOD cured. They would come to me for 6 months, their menses and everything become regular and all of a sudden they will just disappear. They won't come to me, and then after 6 months they will say, "Arey doctor, I was taking your treatment, till then it was okay, but then I stopped diet, exercise, everything I stopped, and now it is 1 year and now I wanted to conceive and now everything is a mess. Now what I'm going to do?" So at that time, and they think that my PCOD was cured. I said, no, PCOD like that, it doesn't get cured. You have to effectively manage it. I told you that. So people actually become lax, and instead of making laxity in things when the consequences are so dangerous, like cardiac symptoms, diabetes, I said cancer and all, so why not to effectively manage this thing? Because we all only have this one life, so we have to live it really in the healthy way. So I hope all the things which I wanted to say have come across, and I wanted to make this little bit different video because I wanted to say so many different things about this topic. So takeaway home message would be, whatever things you have, you don't follow the advice which is given by someone who is not a doctor. Always take the advice of your gynecologist or of a person who is a doctor rather than not a doctor, because PCOD is such a disease, like it is not really this, it is not like straight minded. Many things are interrelated. It's a really complex condition, as a result of which I'm saying this. So this is Dr. Prajakta Patil signing off. So yeah, stay healthy, but also don't forget to enjoy. And I'll meet you really soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.